Hi, so this will give you a nice simple overview of what's happening if you have a simple loop. This should be a lot easier to get your head around. So if we have, oh, I need my pen again. Sorry, it doesn't let me have my pen ahead of starting recording. But anyway, okay, so if we have 10 volts, that voltage is going to come through, and guess what? Because of those rocks, and we think about the current, you've got less flow, but guess what? That less flow is also tied to voltage, which is kind of weird. But anyway, what you want to think about is some of the voltage will be used up here, and some of the voltage will be used up in the second resistor. Now, the current itself, the amount of water, will continue to go through the whole circuit. Okay, so the current is the same the whole way through. So what do we need to do? We have to figure out how much resistance is in total. So how many rocks are slowing things down? So what do we have? Resistance total will equal resistance 1 plus resistance 2, which is 1 ohm and 2 ohm. So what do you end up with? You have resistance total will equal 1 ohm plus 2 ohms. So your resistance total, of course, is 3. So you have 3 ohms. So now you know your total resistance. So you can calculate the current that goes through the entire thing. The same amount of water is going to reach back to the dam. Okay, so the current slows down, but the same amount of water gets through the river all the way through. Okay, so what do we have? We have V equals IR. We can use that next. And we can calculate the current. So current is going to be voltage divided by resistance. So you have 10 volts divided by 3 ohms. Okay, and punch it into your calculator, and you will get something like 3.3 amps, approximately, if I'm doing my math correctly. Okay, so that's how you would calculate for a simple circuit. Now, when everything is just one simple loop like this, it's called being in series. Okay, a series circuit. And that's the most straightforward one to get through. I will show you parallel in one of the other recordings.